Greetings, I'm Gena, and I invite you to come relax with me on my blue couch, where I share tips and tricks to add to your very own self-healing toolbox. These help to regulate, balance, and calm your mind, body, and spirit. Come on, have a seat on the blue couch. Hi there, greetings. Welcome back. Let's pick up our self-healing tool bag. Yes, I love to do this. Let's see what we have inside. Wow, look at that. We have a beautiful ocean jasper. Some people call it sea jasper. Look at it. Oh my gosh, it's green and blue and yellow and white flecks. And it's large enough to fit snugly into my palm. And this stone, it helps to reduce stress and any kind of negative energy that we may have built up. It even helps us to think more clearer and get rid of some of those negative limiting thoughts, that negative inner critic, right? So go ahead and rub it and just feel the power and the sensation of the stone and place it on top of your heart space and just breathe in the goodness of this stone. Mother Nature has a wonderful way of bringing us so many jewels and tools. Breathe it in, reducing your stress and your negative thoughts as you do. That's right. Yeah, allow it to penetrate your entire body and soul. Yeah, now go ahead and have a wonderful day. See you soon. I hope you enjoyed sitting with me on this episode of The Blue Couch. I'm Gena Golden, clinical social worker, integrative psychotherapist, neuroscience-informed life coach, social justice advocate, and racial healing practitioner. My work includes helping to provide restorative healing methods for you to practice and to embody. I'll see you next time. Peace and love.